In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom member profiles in Wix. Whether you're running a community site, an online service, or a membership-based business, creating a custom member profile can add significant value. It gives your visitors a personalized experience and allows you to engage with them in a more meaningful way. So let's dive into the process step by step, keeping things clear and straightforward. First and foremost, you need to be logged into your Wix account. If you haven't created an account yet, it's straightforward. Just head over to the Wix website and sign up. For those who already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you should decide whether you'd like to work with an existing project or start from scratch with a new site. Both options have their benefits, so choose the one that suits your needs. Once your project is open and ready to go, it's time to expand its functionalities by adding the relevant apps. Look towards the left side of your Wix editor interface and find the option labeled Add Apps. Clicking here will lead you to the Wix App Market, which is full of tools and applications that can enhance your site. Now, in the App Market search bar, type in Wix Members Area. This particular app is crucial for our task as it allows you to manage member sites effortlessly. Once you locate it, go ahead and add the Wix Members Area to your site. This functionality provides a solid foundation for building and managing custom member profiles. With the Members Area successfully added, the next stop is the member sign-up form. This is an integral part of the process as it allows users to join your site and create their profiles. When designing this aspect, you want to choose a custom form, which provides the flexibility needed for personalizing member profiles. The custom form is an excellent tool, as it gives you control over what information you want to collect from your members. After selecting the custom form, it's time to really get creative. Here you'll customize the page's layout, text, and style. This is where you can let your brand's personality shine through. Take your time to experiment with different designs. Consider factors such as color schemes that match your brand, font styles that are readable and inviting, and the overall layout that enhances user experience. Remember, this page is where your site's members will interact a lot, so it's vital it reflects the quality and professionalism you aspire to project. The beauty of using Wix is the intuitive design tools that make customization a breeze, even for beginners. There are plenty of options available to help you deliver exactly what you envision. By the end of these steps, you'll have a functional, appealing, and truly custom member profile setup. Happy creating!